Hello everyone, welcome to the newest iHelp video. In this video, we're going to be showing you guys how to use the Apple Store app. So, Apple Store is an amazing way to, of course, buy things at Apple or book Genius Bar appointments. So, you can also view your cart. In my cart, I currently have, if you guys are wondering, Apple Watch Nike SE GPS 40mm silver. I actually don't want that, so I'm just going to take it out by pressing edit in the upper left hand corner and the minus and press delete. Just like deleting a message in iMessage. If you don't know how to do that, go and check out our new iMessage features in iOS 14. It'll be on screen right about now. This is something that I may be getting for school, mostly 13-inch MacBook Pro. Space gray, and I did trade in, so it's $350 cheaper, so $950. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, now we have search, which you can search for the latest iHelp. Not iHelp. Imagine iHelp had a store. That would be amazing, guys. Maybe if we got to our 1,000 sub goal, we could get a store, you guys. I know, shameless plug, but yeah. OtterBox for my new phone, yeah, stuff like that. And of course, I know my view history kind of looks a little strange, but it's because I share this account with a lot of other people, and I was just checking up for a video on the iPhone 12, so yeah. And then you have the shop where you can just see the newest stuff, and you can also shop for device. Joshua's iPhone XR, Apple Watch, you can go to my computer. You might like stuff like that. Just glitched out on me. I guess we can go on with this. Cases and protection, blah blah blah, stuff like that. Now we're going to show you guys how to add something to your cart, and you can also favorite things. I'm going to favorite this because also $50 screen protector, no thanks, I'm favoriting that. I also think that's a privacy protector, so yeah. You can press add to bag. I'm going to shop for my phone right now. Don't know what's happening. I can go to accessibility, I guess. Compatible with your devices. So it's compatible with all of mine. That's so amazing. Guys, we're going to have to end it a little bit early, though, for today, because I'm going to get my COVID vaccine. Make sure to go get vaccinated, guys, because being vaccinated is such an important thing to keep yourself and others safe. So thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you guys in the next iHelp video.